Busnya udah standby sih, supirnya udah standby.
Hari kedua.
Oke, kurang lebih kita ya masih 20 menit lah ya Bapak Ibu ya. Memasuki hari ketiga, kita hari ini akan city tour di London ya, akan banyak jalan kaki. Jadi hari ini siapkan kakinya ya, jadi kita akan jalan-jalan di London. Terus kita akan kemana dulu? Kita akan ke Buckingham Palace ya, nanti kita ada ke Buckingham, Bapak Ibu foto stop. Setelah itu kita menuju ke Westminster Abbey. Terus nanti karena di sini kan Bapak Ibu tulisannya cuma melewati Big Ben, Westminster Abbey sama Buckingham Palace. Betul ya, kalau di itinerary cuma melewati. Tapi karena saya melihat masih ada cukup waktu, saya akan untuk ajak Bapak Ibu foto stop.
Sini, sini, sini. Ada.
For nearly 1,000 years. You've got to go all the way back.
Bang, situ bang.
In the 900s, the first king.
Wah. Westminster. Gereja gede. Nelson Mandela. London Ice. Ya, foto apa lagi? Salah satu spot film London has fallen.
Yuk Bapak Ibu, dekat bendera, ayo kita jalan. Evet.
Even die vroeg voorbij.
Waar hebben we papa dan? Geen idee, zijn ook ergens gestopt.
Lagi dikejepit-jepit begitu.
Istana Buckingham.
Iya. Temennya udah didatengin.
Surtout voir les gars, c'est bon.
Istana Buckingham.
Ouais, non, ça va.
Beneran kenal mamanya lagi.
Ini kayak gitu.
Ini gantinya ini, Bang. Pain mas.
Hmm? Chinatown London. Beli Indomie tuh.
Kalau misalkan hotelnya dekat city center masih oke ya. Ini kalau di Belfast sih nggak begitu jauh, masih oke. Tapi di Belfast di city centernya tidak ada acara. Biasanya kalau saya lagi bawa tur yang lain, ada kayak kemarin itu di Brisbane ya. Saya udah bilang ke tamu-tamu, Bapak Ibu kita kalau mau ke city center
London Bridge. Itu hujan. Iya, makasih Bu.
Ayo let's go. Kita jalan ke sini.
Angin. Kayaknya di sini tuh di Harry Potter. Cak, studio Harry Potter, Cak. Sini.
Oke, siap.
Around your neck, please.
Harry Potter Studio. Ini gimana sih? Oh ya udah.
Begini ya.
Bang, situ sih. Bang, sini. Bang. Yes, bos.
Terus kenapa dibandingin dengan satu itu masih banyak?
How's it guys, don't be shy, come on in. Welcome to our little freehold room. So inside this room, we keep the posters from all over the world. They start light and colourful, then they get darker and darker as Harry gets older and older. One of our posters has a mistake on it. If we look in the corner here at the Order of Phoenix, Lads, don't be shy, come on forwards. Just between Harry and Ron, we have the lovely Ginny Weasley, and you may have seen, that's not Ginny. So what happened? Well, when you're making a poster, you don't have the real actors with you. The people making the poster are at a different studio. So they have to use what
at our soundstage team on the other side of the studio. And everyone here, piece by precious piece for you to see today. But please do not stop, we will come all the way inside the Great Hall. The Great Hall can fit over 400 cast and crew members in here, so it will definitely fit every single one of us. We will also close the Great Hall doors behind you for you to have amazing photo opportunity later. What you're looking at right now is what we call hot set in the film industry, which means that this is ready for filming. You're now welcome to take as many photos and video as you want. Now as you're moving inside the Great Hall, I'm sure you have already noticed, the Great Hall is now dressed and ready for our Christmas feast, as seen in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And it's going to be very hard for you to miss our 7 gigantic Christmas trees in here. And you can imagine it was a very big team effort just to make the trees, make all the decorations, and also all the garlands on the walls. So it was first decided by our art department and by the legendary Stuart Gray, and then made by our prop making team, and then dressed by our set decorators. And if you look up to the top of the Christmas trees, you can also see our special effect team also added the flying fairies circling around the stars. Now I want all of you to look up. When you look up, you can see we have 400 floating candles for you to see today, just like in early production filming. Now when I say early production filming, because they try to use real candles with real reservoir and wick to be lit live on set. And it's a specialized wigging. But with real candles and real fire, it actually burn the wires, causing them to fall down from the ceiling, which is going to be a very big safety issue for our cast and crew. Therefore, later on, they decided to use the magical power of CGI to add all the ceiling, the candles, and the nice guy in the Great Hall later on in post-production. But now I can assure you all the candles, they are perfectly safe for you to see, because we are now able to put LED lights inside of it to give you that figure-eight effects. And now I want all of you to look at the tables for our very yummy Christmas feast. During filming, they actually use real food on set every single day, but you can imagine it smells delicious at first. But after a few hours of filming, under the hot studio lights, it's going to turn, I'd say, less appetizing. Therefore, our prop making team, led by Pierre Bohana, they use resin to make a lot of big food for you to see today. We have a very big selection for you to see. We have some turkeys, hams, potatoes, peas, cakes, but it wouldn't be a Christmas feast without our Christmas pudding right here. So everyone get around right here in front of these barriers, because in just a few moments I'm going to show you a very cool special effect. So get your thumbs up, set it on video mode, and focus it on the 4 puddings at the center. I'm going to set them all on fire. It will only last for a few seconds, so you really don't want to miss this. But I'm going to ask all of you just to take 1 step away from the barrier just for safety. Okay, are you all ready? We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1, action. Amazing, this is exactly how it was done back in the day, but you can see it is perfectly safe to do because these puddings that you're looking right now, they are made with solid concrete. And the holy leaves on top is made with steel, so it can withstand for a very long time for the high temperature. Now I'm sure you have a way to go on your self-guided tour today. But before you go, I do have a few tips for you. If you're holding our activity passport, something like this, you'll be doing some activities. If you don't have one right now, don't worry, you will get one at the Gryffindor Common Room, which is going to be 5 minutes away. Within the passport, you have all the information you need to look for 7 standing locations and 16 golden snitches. And the first snitch is just right there, over the archway. You see, there's 1 out of 16 to keep an eye over the others in the tour. And the next one that is floating with the candles is not in here, it's in the next area. If you're using our digital guide or our headset today, your tour will start right around the corner at the director's board. Keep an eye for circular icon like this.
Harry Potter lagi jalan. Harry Potternya lagi jalan.
Good you get? Let's go.
Colokin aja. Buru.
Ini.
Still credible, still real, still structurally possible. Interesting, good architectural
Go look at this children.
Ini kamu di samping sininya.
And tell you how to bottle fame, blue, glory, and evening interest. Then again, maybe some of you have come to Hogwarts in possession of abilities so formidable that you feel confident enough to not pay attention. So now, what would I get if I had a ton of you that soil to make you in the world? You don't know? No, that's well, that's probably what it's about. Ask you to find out what you do.
Potion classroom.
And what is the difference between Maxwell and Bitcoin?
Keren. Dah. Ya, Bang. Ini. Curang banget. Harry Potter nih, Harry Potter. Ada, Harry Potter.
Ada sini dong.
Howard Express.
Ada sini belok apanya?
Kereta Harry Potter.
Banyak mana sini?
water train.
More than 4 months.
Yeah, it brings it to life when the wig's on, doesn't it? Yeah. At least I know what I look like when I'm 100 years old.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's about it, guys. That's how we have that.
Sekolah helikopter.
Have a sense of drama and jeopardy almost to it, because we're trying to heighten the tension of what's happening in the so we can actually collide with him and bounce off him. We can make it look like his foot is landing on top of the treasure, and that he's actually being elevated by the treasure. Combination of live action and visual effects to accompany this. And it's very important to the fact that it's mighty as in other parts working together and contributing to correct. Thank you.
Vera? Ha fatto, però gli originali direi che sono venuti.
And then as soon as the drawing is far enough advanced, a white card is also. So the white card and the stretch card.
Nggak tahu mau apa.
Cak.
Ini foto di depan sini. Nggak bagus. Ini belakangnya kan. Ini bang, bang. Ini bang.
Bang, bang.